The content and application of the search tool cannot be retained when you space close an object. The search tool cannot be used on which major access object. Reports in a table space are displayed in the order in which they were entered. Most often this order is not useful. Record. The space is a wildcard that represents one or more characters. Asterisk, which is not an option for filter on a text field. Between. The search tool is best used when searching for space data. Simple. Which of the following find and replace dialog box options finds records in which the beginning of a field matches the find what entry? Match start of field. Which of the following functions cannot be used in the total row? Round. Before printing a data sheet, you can use space to determine whether to change the page orientation from portrait to vertical orientation. Print preview. What is the keyboard shortcut to move to the last records in a table? Ctrl plus Int. Free of cost, repair of software book available at internet is called ports. The internet was originally a project of which agency? ARPA. Which of the following is a correct format of email address? Name embedded website.info. HTML is used to create web page. The computer jargon www stands for World Wide Web, or means option A is correct answer. The process of transferring files from a computer on the internet to your computer is called downloading. In internet terminology, IP means Internet Protocol. A website's front page, main page is called Home page. Which one of the following is not a search engine? Windows. Verification of a login name and password is known as authentication. Means option C is correct answer. Internet Explorer falls under browser. What is the full form of www in web address? World Wide Web. Means A option is the correct answer.